Hello everyone. Now this video will teach how to open the DFL data recovery modules and the firmware modules in different methods. Now let's check, and we are opening is DFL control panel. From the control panel we can check all the channels, including the USB channels and local file. This local file is usually used for loading the image file or VHD to be used as one target drive to extract the lost data. Now we can try to check this is SATA 0, SATA 1 and IDE channel. If we wish to open the SATA 0, and we can double click, we can check this is a data recovery module, DDP, DFL DDP data recovery module. And all other 5 modules are for firmware repair, for Western Digital firmware repair, Seagate firmware repair, Samsung firmware repair, and this one is for Hitachi IBM firmware repair, and this one for Toshiba Fujitsu firmware repair. So when we get a pension drive, if the pension drive has been wrongly detected or capacity is 0 detected or sometimes busy, we can try to open the firmware module first to diagnose the wrongly or busy detected drive, and then we can decide further how to move forward for repair and data recovery. So mostly we use the firmware modules to diagnose the drive, the diagnose pension drive first, and then use the DFL DDP data recovery module for disk image or file extraction. Now we can check, double click, we can open the DFL DDP data recovery module, and then we can start to set up a disk image or file extraction project. And on the left side we can see this is a common firmware repair functions available within the DFL DDP data recovery equipment, Toshiba, and this is Hitachi. Now we can go back to the control panel, and this is SATA 1 IDE. For the DFL PCIe data recovery hardware, we can see there is one extra SATA 2 channel. So there are 4 channels for DFL PCIe and 3 channels for DFL SRP USB portable data recovery hardware. So this is the first method to open different firmware repair modules or data recovery modules. And another method, sometimes if in case users get some problem with the DFL control panel, and users can open file location, right click on the icon, and then we go to the installation folder, and we can, for example, we go to the DDP installation folder, we can right click on the DFL DDP exe program, and we can send to desktop, and we get the DDP icon. And for Seagate firmware repair, and we can also right click, send it to the desktop. And for Western Digital firmware repair, we can right click, send to the desktop. And for other 2, for the Samsung, and we can also right click and send to the desktop. And the last firmware repair module is for Hitachi. Okay, we can also put this to the desktop, attach, send to the desktop. And this last one, and it's the FT, the Toshiba and Fujitsu. We can right click, send to the desktop. And now we can simply open DDP, select the channel you have connected this pension drive, and then for example, we connect the pension drive to SATA 0, then we enter the SATA 0 DFL DDP data recovery software module. So this one is also very convenient. Anyway, we just need more icons. Need the icons for each software module for the DDP data recovery module and other 5, and they are the firmware repair modules. So we put them to the desktop, then we can simply run each module separately. So this one is the second method to open the data recovery and firmware repair modules.